Hi, everyone. The Williamson County man accused of killing his father back in April had his day in court. Daniel Cantrell's fate was decided in less than an hour, and he most likely will never see a prison cell. News Channel 5's Chris Cannon was in court, and Chris, Cantrell faced a pretty serious murder charge here.
Rory, he was accused of killing his father, Oliver, inside his parents' Brentwood home. And since then, doctors have investigated his mental status and police have investigated what happened. And after 4 months today, Daniel Cantrell learned his fate for killing his father.
Mr. Cantrell was charged with killing his father, a person he loved more than anyone in this world.
When Daniel Cantrell walked into the courtroom, there was no disputing what he had done in early April.
Mr. Cantrell's attorneys and the state basically stipulated and agreed to the facts of the case.
Cantrell stabbed his father to death. It happened inside his parents' Brentwood home.
Mr. Cantrell, let me ask you, is this your signature on these documents? Yes, sir.
Tuesday morning, Cantrell waived his right to a jury trial, letting Judge Timothy Easter immediately decide the 31-year-old's fate. The doctor who evaluated Cantrell after his arrest testified before the judge.
We found at the time of the crime, he met the criteria for insanity defense.
Judge Easter took that information and issued his ruling.
And therefore supporting a verdict of not guilty by reason of insanity.
Cantrell's attorney described his client's state of mind the day of the murder.
He believed that he was a robot, that his father was a robot, and that he was having delusions, hearing voices and the like, and these were real events that were occurring at the time.
And following that finding, he was, through the court's order, committed to Middle Tennessee Mental Health for treatment for his severe mental illness.
Cantrell's family was in the courtroom, his mother openly sobbing in the front row as her son was taken away.
The family is a really close family. They're wonderful people. They feel so strongly in their son and also Mr. Oliver Cantrell that this is a horrible family tragedy.
Daniel Cantrell has suffered from paranoid schizophrenia for the last 6 years. Shortly after his father's death, Cantrell tried to kill himself by jumping off his jail bunk. He was seriously hurt. Since the day of the murder, Cantrell has been on different medications and now is in a stable mental state. David Rabin says his client understands what he has done and he's extremely remorseful for his father's death. And as you saw there, Rory, he was taken off to that mental institution right after the court hearing.
Sad for everyone involved.
It really is.
Chris, thanks. During his treatment, Cantrell's doctors will send a report to the courts every 6 months, updating his mental condition. If it changes, the judge will hold another hearing.